Olumo Rock, one of Nigeria's most iconic historical tourist sites, was closed for major renovations on April 14, 2025. This initiative, spearheaded by the Ogun State Government and the Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, aims to improve visitor experience, enhance safety, and preserve the site's cultural heritage. In today's video, we'll explore the new developments at Olumo Rock, examine how the Lagos-Ibadan railway has influenced tourism growth in the state, and take a look at what the future may hold for Ogun State's tourism industry.
Olumo Rock is our foremost tourist attraction site in Ogun State. I believe in the last 1 year, it attracted over 20,000 tourists in 2024. Beyond that, this tourist site represents our very deep culture, history, and tradition. And we must do everything to protect them and ensure that they are sustained, because they remain our connection between the present and the past. And long after many of us are gone, they will continue to remind our successor generations of where we all came from and our history. So I've come here to see for myself the state of our foremost tourist attraction site, which is Olumo Rock. And I must commend those who have continued to look after this place. I think that this place can receive better attention, to put it the least. And it will receive best attention from now on. Now the tables have finally turned to tourism. And we're now going to be very deliberate about pushing the frontier in a tourist development.
Abeokuta, Olumo,
Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I share first-hand access to exclusive locations, updates, and events around Lagos and Nigeria as a whole. Thanks as you subscribe. During the 19th century, the Egba people relied on Olumo Rock as a secure refuge and observation point amidst intertribal conflicts. Its natural caves and elevated terrain provided both protection and a strategic view of the surrounding area. The name Olumo translates to "God has ended our suffering" in Yoruba, symbolizing its deep connection to the Egba people's resilience and cultural identity. In the 1970s and 1980s, the Ogun State Government began developing Olumo Rock as a tourist destination by constructing paved access roads, establishing guided tour systems, and installing formal signage and visitor facilities. A significant transformation came in 2006 with the addition of a glass elevator, improved stairways, landscaped gardens, and a museum to enhance the visitor experience. However, by 2025, concerns over poor maintenance and aging infrastructure prompted widespread criticism. This led to the site's temporary closure on April 14, 2025 for an extensive renovation project. Spearheaded by the Ogun State Government and Commissioner for Culture and Tourism, the initiative aims to revitalize Olumo Rock, ensuring improved safety, a better experience for tourists, and preservation of its rich cultural legacy. So why is Olumo Rock being renovated? 1. Promote tourism and protect cultural heritage. The renovation aims to enrich the cultural experience for visitors while ensuring the preservation of this historic landmark. The government is focused on safeguarding Olumo Rock's legacy as a vital piece of Yoruba heritage. 2. Enhance visitor experience. With more than 2,000 visitors each year, the site requires modernization to offer a more enjoyable and comfortable experience for both tourists and locals. 3. Strengthen safety measures. Beyond aesthetic improvements, the renovation addresses critical safety concerns, ensuring the site is secure and accessible for all visitors. 4. Upgrade infrastructure and technology. Plans include introducing electronic ticketing, enhancing safety systems, and connecting Olumo Rock with other nearby heritage sites to create a cohesive, world-class tourism hub. Here are some new features and additions to the Olumo Rock. 1. The Nike Art Gallery Partnership. A new collaboration with the renowned Nike Art Gallery is bringing an art exhibition space to the Olumo Rock complex. This gallery will showcase rich Nigerian cultural heritage and is expected to significantly increase annual visitor numbers from the current 2,000 towards over 100,000 visitors. 2. Film and Entertainment Village. As part of a broader cultural revitalization project, Olumo Rock is being integrated into a larger entertainment and heritage hub that includes the restoration of notable sites like MK Abiola's residence. The rock itself will benefit from enhanced landscaping, cultural programming, and deeper historical context. The site remains closed for renovations, with official updates on the reopening to be provided by the Ogun State Government. Once reopened, visitors can look forward to upgraded safety and visitor amenities, a full functional on-site art gallery, enhanced aesthetics, and modernized infrastructure aligned with wider cultural initiatives. Entry fees current rates at the tourist complex are staircase climbing for adults 1,500, children 1,000 naira. Elevator access adults 2,500 naira, children 2,000 naira. Ground access only, that is galleries and the museum, 500 naira for adults and 300 naira for children. For guides, you pay 500 naira to 1,000 depending on the individual. Then for parking spaces, you pay 200 naira to 500 naira. Opening hours 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily to resume once renovations are complete. The impact of the Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge rail on Olumo Rock. The Lagos-Ibadan standard gauge rail, which began serving Abeokuta in 2021, has significantly boosted tourism to Olumo Rock. Here is how. 1. Improved access and convenience. The new train line includes a station in Abeokuta, making it easy for Lagos and Ibadan residents to visit Olumo Rock without the stress of lengthy, traffic-prone road journeys. Commuters have praised this service for its efforts, air conditioning, reliability, and predictable scheduling. 2. Growth in visitor numbers. Before the rail service, fewer than 2,000 tourists visited annually. Since introduction, government projection aim to increase that to over 100,000 tourists per year by boosting accessibility and adding attractions like an on-site Nike Art Gallery. In 2024, visits reportedly reached 20,000, tied to improved connectivity. 3. Economic ripple effects. Easier access encourages day trips and weekend visits, increasing local expenditure from guide services and food stores to souvenir shops, boosting community employment and income. Railway-linked tourism also contributes to hospitality development, such as hotels, transport, events, supporting Abeokuta's local economy. 4. Enhanced tourism appeal. Visitors report that rail travel is much more relaxed and scenic than road travel, compared to the unpredictable Lagos-Ibadan road traffic, which can take 3 to 5 hours, the rail line makes a 1-hour commute more viable, perfect for day-long cultural excursions to Olumo Rock. The Lagos-Ibadan train has transformed Olumo Rock from a weekend challenge into an accessible cultural escape, reliably connecting Lagos, Ibadan, and Abeokuta. Olumo Rock became a tourist destination through its natural features, historical wartime role, spiritual relevance, and international modernization. It's now one of Nigeria's most iconic landmarks, symbolizing both resilience and heritage. Thank you guys for watching until the very end. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.